Hello students, I am Shangita. Welcome to my YouTube channel Life with Philosophy. In my last video, I have discussed the sign and the constant and the variable, about the constant and the variable. And there I told you that you can put any sentences instead of any variable like PQ. So when you are given the two sentences, at that time you can put instead of these two sentences PQ, this variable. And when you are given the three sentences, you can put the three variables like P, Q, R, etc. So, but today I will show you, I am going to discuss the truth table and how you construct a truth table. Okay, so if you know the tricks of these, you can easily form any type of truth table. Okay, and after that I will show you how you construct the dot sign, the truth table of dot, veil, equivalent, implication, etc. So let's start. First, these tricks, when you are given the two variables like PQ, there will be the row will be the 4. But when you are given the three variables, that is PQR, at that time the row will be the 2 to the power 3, that is the 8. And when you are given the 4 variables, that is PQRS, you have to write the 16, you have to draw the 16 row. But for the HS, it only this type will come, these three variables and the 4 variables are given the graduation level. So first I am writing the dot sign. So when you are given the two variables and how you construct the truth table of dot sign. Okay, so first in the right side you have to write TF TA. Okay, I have told that 4 row, this is the 4 row, and the left side of the Q you have to write T and F. You can draw here the line. If it is easier to you can draw this type of line here. Okay, so then you have to write same sign this side. P here the T, you have to write T. Q here T, you have to write T. Then this is the T, F. Here the F, P is F and Q T, so T, and here both are F, so you have to write this. And which will be your result? The result will be this row will be the dot sign results will be this line. Okay, so the rules of the dot sign you have to remember easily. When both side T present, at that time only you have to write T, and the other row will be the F, because if in the dot sign anywhere F is present, at that time the truth table result will be the F. But so only where the T both places are the T present at the both places, at that time you have to write the T, and otherwise all the cases you have to write the H sign. So only you have to remember this thing, then it will will be easier for you. Now I will show you the vowel sign. Same thing, you have to write the same thing, P vowel Q, and first you have to write T F T F, and then T T T T T T F F, and again this same thing you have to write T T T F F F T and F F. Which is present there, you have to write this side. So, and in the vowel sign, you have to write only when the both sides, F is both sides, at that time it will be the F, and otherwise every cases will be the T. It is the opposite of the dot sign. You see that you have to remember these places. And next, P horseshoe Q, that is P horseshoe Q, that is the T. First you have to write T F T F T T F F. Here also write same thing, T F F T F F. In these cases, you have to remember this thing where first T is present and then next Q is present, F is present. At that time you have to put only F, and other cases, other places you have to write the T sign. Only this thing you have to remember, and other cases you have to put the T sign. Okay. Now I am showing you the equivalent sign. P Q, and then equivalent P equivalent Q. Here also you have write T F, then T F F. Again you have to write this thing, T F F T and F F. In the cases of equivalent, you have to remember where the both places are T, at that time will be the T, and where the both sides are F, at that time will be the T, and other places will be the A. So you have to remember this thing and this thing. Okay, so I think you understand this truth table and how you have to write this truth table. I just show you in the simplest form, but you have to construct the truth table in 2 or 3 signs joining the 2 or 3 signs, that is P dot Q, vowel Q, it may be. I will show you in this type of truth table in the next video. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my video, and till then, bye.